How to factory reset Windows 11. Go over to the search bar onto your taskbar and search up for settings. And once you're onto your device's settings, you're gonna head over to system. And from the system menu, you're gonna head over all the way down to recovery right here. And onto the recovery, you can basically fix problems without having to reset your PC. Usually people reset and reformat their PC or the device once they're having problems or having troubleshooter. What you can do is you can simply click on that, or then you can reinstall updates as well. But to completely factory reset your PC, what you're going to do is you're going to click on reset PC right here. And basically, you'll have an option to either keep up all your files or remove everything, all your personal files, your data, your apps from the hard disk. So you can choose to do that. And once you've chosen to do that, it's going to back up. If you choose to keep your files, then it's going to back up your files. If you choose not to keep your files, then it's going to remove everything off of the hard drive. And then basically, you're just going to have a clean, new, fresh start, and you're going to have your PC factory reset. So this is it for this video, guys. A simple and easy way for you to reset your PC.